and back up your shit and use Git. Hey. Back up your shit. Use Git. The pendulum, like this, it goes bam, 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 bam. Just like that. The hell have you done here? Hacker hoodie and all. Theo, if you got anything you want to share, please, the floor is yours. I appreciate you. Also a member of the Claw stream team, one of the best stream teams on Twitch. Amazing people, amazing leader, amazing everything. Readers coming in for the... Uh-oh. If you can find a replacement for me, I'm gonna raid out, and this has been a lot of fun. We'll play again.
Super fun, GD.
Give me 5 GD.
Yeah, let's yeah.
1, 2, 3, team. All right, catch you later. Is when I want to make shorts. If I wanna try and, you know, create content from content, the way that the resolution looks when I try to make a short is absolutely horrendous. Like if can I do this? Oh, daddy. God damn it. Oh, I really hope that I had that muted. My hand was right on the button. Did I not have that muted? Excuse me. Oh my god. This is your nightmare. ID 10T. Yes. Affin, go ahead. Stretch your legs out. Stretch everything that you need to stretch out. Here, I'll show you how the day is gone. The day's gone like this. Not really getting a shadow from the fire, are we? Oh shit! You win this time, City. See the walk loop, make sure. Ah! Taking a step. Ooh. Watch me strut. Ooh. Here I'm a bear. Ooh. Got a big butt. Ooh. My name's Sooty. Ooh. Time for me to get some sleep. I think that's the... Oh, gee. Jesus. Oh. Fuck.
Here also, y'all, is a nice little look at the ant head, and that yellow
Got it. I'm definitely doing I'm getting frustrated trying to get all these themes together and has me rethinking my life choices. One copyright infringement. So I think I'll have a redeem to impersonate Foolbox.
Sharing guitars, a world on fire. JDDoesDev, the codebreaker messiah. With screaming power, he's here to prove. Game development's his passion, he'll make it prove. Unleashing chaos upon the digital land. JD lights up the stream with a lethal hand. From algorithms to pixels, he's got the know-how. Creating worlds from scratch, he'll show you how. Codebreaker bloodshed in the realm of dreams. JDDoesDev, the king of coding streams. Ripping through the matrix, forging into light. Join this mad programmer, take flight. Take flight.
Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. Fallen, good to see you. I hope everything went well with your partner visiting. Tommy, you got a new camera. Nice. Nice. Goodwill's a good thing. Most of the time. Sometimes. Occasionally. I think. There was something that I need to fix that I just realized. There. Fixed it. But I saw who did. All right, where were we? Last night, we got a lot of things fixed up. Did some UI shit. Holy crap. Is that accurate? What? Let's do them all. Yeah. You. What is... Should we see what this does? Not yet. Not yet. Why? Okay. To the waters that she said to me. But I saw who did you see? All right, so what I do, we did some account page restructure fixes there, and I think I'm to a point where oh, come on. Why do you keep logging me out, you jackass? Nice. I didn't do anything. Yep, yep. Go down to the waters, as she said to me. But I saw who did you say? Okay. OMC setup. So, Fallen, what else is new? What else you been up to? And Tommy, you got any other good news? Or anybody else got any good news? Anybody watch the launch? The historical launch? Going back around the moon, looking for Transformers? Bum, 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 ba-da-da-ba-dum. Okay, what's left? M6, what's left? Uh-oh. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of a couple of thingies there. Know about things, but I'm the man you've been dreaming of. Lady who said he won't date or return her calls. All right, so we're getting close to almost everything except the billing. Should I should probably set up S3 somewhere. Hi, Alive. Haha, that's our thing. That's our thing. Welcome in, Nameless. How you been? Okay. How does deving do? Deving does do. People say it don't be like it is, but it do. Oh, nice, nice. Sounds like you got a lot of stuff going on there, Tommy. That is awesome. I find that hard to believe. Nameless. I really find that hard to believe because there's a running joke in our circle. In our circle, I mean just software game dev streamers. Anybody who knows Bardaki or Bardaki or Barty. They often just say hi, whatever. I'm Bardaki, regardless of whether or not they're Bardaki or Barty. All right. All right. We've made some changes to Coda as well. Kevin Krabs, almost dinner time. Num 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 num. Okay, Minio. Ooh, I probably should have gone to the bathroom before. Okay. Pizza! Pizza in the morning, pizza in the evening. Okay, who's got who has opinions? Oh, Fallen. I was on a podcast yesterday. Podcast and stream yesterday. The Talking Drupal podcast. It was a lot of fun. I mean, it also helps that I know all the people, all the hosts. So it's not like walking into a room full of strangers, even though it wasn't really a room. It was the only thing I flubbed is I had a really, really bad analogy, like a horrible analogy. And one of the hosts gave me that look of like, are you sure about that? I'm like, ooh, yeah, okay, bad. I'm just, I'm making stuff up as I go here. I was because it was about my talk that I gave in Florida about why developers don't choose Drupal. And I'm like, people got hurt by old versions of PHP and old versions of Drupal. They think that everything's exactly the same. It's kind of like, if you go to a restaurant and somebody spits on your burger, you're not going to want to go back there. Or it'll take a lot for you to give them a second chance. And they're just like, I'm not going back to that restaurant no matter what. Like, okay. Fair point. Bad example. But it was fun. And I actually prepared for it. And I had all my data, like so that I could give actual numbers. Like, okay, so this is why I said this. Here's this survey from 2025 that gave this number for this thing. Like, I could make stuff up Pawn X Pawn, welcome in. First time chat too. And no, you caught the false end of Alanis Morissette. There is still a good minute, 9 seconds left. All right, so what I was wondering is, does anybody have opinions on Linode object storage versus Backblaze? Let me see. Did I already do? I'm pretty sure I already did this. Yeah, in my Architect Critic. Cloudflare R2. Okay, so the cost associated with is an S3. Do some research for me. Do some research for me. Because I'm too lazy to do it myself. Turn to me. So Fallen, we've done some work. Well, next Spawn, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you being here. We've done some work on Creodrop, quite a bit of work. I've added in the developer tier. I think I might just have only 2 tiers. Maybe 3. Starter, Pro, Developer. Yes. Yeah, if you're sitting right where I am, I tell you what, and if you can get to panel.creodrop.local port 8880 and see this, you can have all the sites you want. Let's check it with a different image here. Okay, we got an issue. CDN free plan. Under $1 a month. Okay, yeah, Cloudflare, you got it. All right, but while we got this, hold on. I need to check the logs. Wait, did it do things already? No, it didn't. Okay. Right, we've got issues. I mean, new issues. Did I not build the images? There's a good chance I didn't build the images. All right. Let's move on from a sad song. Woo, yo, yo. Oh, shit. Hold on. I'll be right back. I got to read this email real quick and see if it says what I think it said. Thank you for the comment. So wait, you've got no playlist, but you've got 6 videos up here. Okay, I think I'm reading this right, but I'm not sure. Apparently I did something right at DrupalCon and someone's interested in funding Creodrop and paying me to build it out. April Fools. Nobody gives a shit about what I'm doing. Got it. Welcome in, Butter Toast. How you doing? How you doing? That is not what I just tried copying. This is something that bugs the hell out of me is I can't scroll up because it takes me all the way to the top. And it also has been like hiding previous text. So I can't scroll back. I want to rename these. Okay. Rename Drupal Vanilla to Creodrop. Creodrop be code. All right. Here we go. Yeah.
Okay. And is this a known issue here? Let's see if it's a known issue. Okay, it is an issue. It's a known issue. All right. Yeah, that can wait. That can wait. That can wait. Hold on. All right, time to do our daily check of my favorite issue, your favorite issue. I guess it's an issue that I closed, which I shouldn't have. Nope, still not. Make it work, make it work, make it work. Look at this. Jesus. Okay, it takes a bit to build these images. Okay, this is on the admin guide. That's fine. That should be pulled out when I rebuild. That's what she said. Now go. Walk out the door. Just turn around. You're not welcome anymore. Wish I could find the video of this. During COVID, to keep our sanity, some coworkers and I, at a job that I'm no longer at, did a virtual band. Called it Band from the Office. Get it? Band from the Office. Get it? I don't have to impress you. But this is one of the songs that we did. Okay, so get this. And then there was something else I went. Oh, let's see. Okay. Got that. Now, the databases here. Um, okay, not there, not there. None of these. That's my site. Okay, boom, boom. $21 MCP presets. Settings. Believe. Oh, welcome back. What do you mean, how are my face red? Is my face red? No, it might be red. Oh. Okay, we good there. All right, we cleared 7 gigs. Nice. Okay. Let's go back here. Let's look at my Creodrop. Dashboard. Okay, developer tier, we're starting it up. Boom. Ooh, okay. There's another problem. Yeah. Dev stage. Yes. So close. So close. But check it out. Check it out. Okay. All this is good. So it'll. Right. Now let's see here. Yes. Wait, no. Oh, wait, yes. Sweet, sweet, sweet victory. I like victory. What screen is that? Oh, stop it. Site's new. Right now, it gives a prod URL. Status should point towards the dashboard. The next step should also change to reflect that it's developer tier. What's up, Tricky? It's tricky to rock, go round to rock, go round to rock. That's right, it's tricky. Suck it in, suck it in, suck it in. Let's go in. Why? Because I'm a book? Ah. gonna watch The Rookie? Rookie of the Year? The movie about the kid who breaks his arm like this, and then he becomes a pitcher for Chicago Cubs. And he says, the doctor says, "Funky but loving." 20 stream. Holy shit! It's like you like me or something. Dun, 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 boom, boom. Okay. Do I have a lounge random? Oh, okay. Apparently, whoa. Whoa. Here, let me make it better for you. Let's take that. Let's really quick go over here. Nope, go over here. Hey, Josie. Hey, Josie. I should make these redeems work again. We should turn them on again. But there are some that broke everything. Let's see. That one moves me. Hmm. Okay. So that's something that we wanted. Oh, shit. Hold on. Hold on. Wait a minute. Hold on, little girl. No. What the hell? Things are broken all over the place. HDR is so weird. I just turned it off. I mean, it has a potential to look good, but I had to turn it off because things kept breaking. Like one monitor would be really bad, almost like a high gamma, it would look like, but nothing would have been changed. Just randomly, haha, everything is washed out. It's Samikins. How you doing, Sammy? Awesome. I see you watched the Artemis launch, or at least you were looking in somebody's stream. I watched it on my TV on YouTube. Nice. You're in Florida? Really? Why didn't you come and do karaoke with me in January? Anyway, February. Yeah, every January I go to Orlando, well, Orlando-ish for an event, for a Drupal event. And I always get people to go out for karaoke. Okay. Oh, Lord, I wish it wasn't so. Save tonight. Fight the break of dawn. Okay, we're doing some restyling on the admin panel, which so far I'm the only one who has access to. Okay, are they doing it? Are they doing it? Still going. What about you? Why? Yeah. Why would there be games in Figma? What? I don't have words for that. Wait, did it save it there? Where the hell did it save the? Oh, did it go in here? Planning? Or was it in strategy? Did I have a strategy? Yeah, probably not. There we go. Bumped again. Yeah, bumped again. Okay. Okay. CDN strategy. We're going to use Cloudflare most likely. Should be planning CDN for customer sites, not for Creodrop.com. Okay, what's this? I miss ThinkGeek. April Fools. ThinkGeek always had the best April Fools products. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Look, it's doing good stuff. It went to haiku for something like this. I like it. Oh, there was an update. I haven't opened it, but I saw that there was an update here. Okay. All right, let's see if this is going to load up tonight. Words has been really weird lately. All right, Words isn't going to run. I'm going to run and take a break, though. My head. It's my head. It's so big. It's like a beehive inside my brain. That dark really takes away from the outlines that I have, though. From the asset library, smart shit, smart shit 2D, smart shape 2D. Wow. You're first. You're first. You're not the worst. Oh, no wonder. It's on backwards. I don't know what you use for enchilada. Why'd that come out like a song? I don't know what you use for enchilada. Whatever you use, I'm gonna eat a lotta. This little guy. Help me! Help me! No, no, no. You're mine forever. Help me! Help me! Not I mean. I am going to level with you here. My ears are filling up with sweat right now.
getting a shadow from the fire, are we? Oh shit! You win this time, City. Da, 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 da. This one copyright infringement. I think I'll have a redeem to impersonate Foolbox. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Well, ordinarily he looks a little bit more frightening than this, but I was playing around with making him fuzzy. My balls. Thank you for following. Follow me wherever I go, my balls. And I appreciate that's about you. For nefarious purposes. I don't want anybody using that clip of me saying it on repeat while they do whatever in the privacy of their own home. I don't want anybody hearing me saying, oh daddy, oh daddy, oh daddy, over and over again from that clip. Don't do it. It's as bad as ripping your dick off. This is your nightmare. ID10T. Yes. Yes. All right, back. Sorry that took so long. Had to run to the bathroom. After I came back, sat down. You might have seen words start up and then not work. No, because words isn't working. So I just turned it on. It took forever for me to log in. I mean, I've got it here. I've got it there, but it's not loading here. And I refreshed it a few times. Oh, now it shows up, jackass. Look, it's taking forever to load.
It's been acting weird the past couple days. Honestly, it's been pissing me off. I'm so angry. I mean, look. No, it's not because it doesn't work. I mean, the only thing that I could do is change this to another browser instead of a browser source. Yeah, I don't have a good browser, alternative browser source. Yeah. Sorry, Words hates us all. Thank you for the hydrate, the stretch, and the posture check. Posture? Posture. Yeah. Okay, we call that. Today. So I like Let's Encrypt certbot as a free option for something that I'm building out myself for my own, but this stuff, CDN, DDoS, and SSL added on. I mean, for what I'm charging, is this to be expected? Something like this to be expected? What is the cost going to be? Yeah, I'm looking at Cloudflare. Because I need an S3 option too. Got me to the bedpost. I was swallowing my pride. I was choking the rise. This song kills at karaoke. Chub available. Yep, chub available. I don't. I can't tell if this was an update to Claude or not. I'm not sure what the version is. What version am I on here? But um, it's like hiding a lot of stuff. Unless I do this, I don't see everything that I would like to see. Also, how? Okay. What? Where? To? Green. Ice cream. Pancake. I don't know what's going on here. Let me find my resources here. Nope, that's not it. Oh, god damn it. View resources. I don't like Azure. Like I've opened up the same page 4 or 5 times now. God damn it. Finally. Okay, there's this. What? No. Finally. Um, Stony Eagle, are you here? Holy shit, it just went through like 17 different things to get to the same page that I wanted to see. If I select a persona, the voice should be updated in the settings as well. Okay. All right, here we go. Free. Damn, I'm trying to read here. Okay, Cloudflare. First 100 custom host names are free. I guess additional are 10 cents per host name per month. Okay. All right, I think that I want to, yeah, we'll look at this a little bit more. Now, customer C is a dev tier, then they should be able to access Okay. Let's look at the S3 setup. We'll test that all like locally. Oh, okay. Let's see if we can summon Stony. Because there's something that I'm interested on there. Um, let's see. Let's go back here. You think? Okay. Good. Strategy S3 storage. Okay, no file backups. Oh, this is current state. Oh, they both speak S3. You speak S3? I don't speak S3. I'm not sick, but I'm not well. Dr. Marmalade and Jung. Welcome in. Oh, Sammykins, did I show you my my Stargate experiment? It wasn't quite as good as it could be. I had to prompt it a little bit, but it was really hard to find like good images of the dialing computer. What brings you in, Dr. Marmalade and Jung? See, it even gives me this. It's hard to, you know what? Anyway, initiate dialing. Disengage. Open the iris. Unscheduled off-world activation. Oh, incoming IDC from the Tok'ra. Hold on. Iris opened. It needs some work. Like the chevrons should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Instead of doing the 2 at the bottom, they should be skipped. And like if I do the manual DHD, it's kind of broken. Look how big that is. And they don't look like the actual symbols. It's just the lines where the actual Stargate symbols are more outlines of it. But what are you going to do? I made it in 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. It did. It did. I had to give it a little bit of feedback to get it right. But all things considered, um, single bucket prefix based. Okay. S3 credentials never leave API server. Good. Okay. Oh, okay. Non-developer tier are rejected. Okay. Can I? Well, I know I can. Interesting that it loaded that up because I thought I shut down my Python server that was running it. Hmm. Do I have the Stargate thing here? Do I have the Stargate? Yes, I do. Okay, let's go back here. Well, that's doing a thing. We're just multitasking like crazy here. Let's do 5 different things at the same time. That's good for the human brain, right? Okay, got that. Oh, okay. How do we... I guess I can mark it up, right? Because I'm just, you know, waiting on other things. Stupid girl. Okay, give me some text. Okay. Let's do this. 1, 2, 2, 3, 5. Got a little meta, didn't it? I hate that I have to do this for WSL screenshots, but I do. Say a prayer for me. Okay, where was the other? Here we go. These are all testing. Okay, so got this. What are we working on? It's doing my documentation. All right. Reading the time. Okay, got this going. Do it. Just do it. Hardest part would be something like or the Twitch integration. But on the other hand, though, the missed words, I'm kind of glad it doesn't show it because there's only so many words that it goes through. We've seen a lot of repeats. Okay. Okay, that's better. A little bit better. A little bit better. Okay, let's go to Abydos. All right. Chevron 7 engaged. Much better. Much better. They're all my passion projects. That's one of the beautiful things about Claude and other LLMs is, well, I'm running something here. I've also been watching Stargate recently a lot. Do I have a ZPM? Wait, I thought that Atlantis was an 8. I thought Atlantis was an 8 glyph, not a 9. Because you've got the points in space, which are the first 6, the origin galaxy, and the origin planet. Yeah, that's what I thought. I told you, I've been watching. I'm on season 8 of SG1. Is it season 8? When's the one where it's, yeah, I think that's a season where the Ori show up, right? No, season 9 then. I'm on season 9 of SG1 and season 2 of Atlantis. Season 8 is when Jack is a general, but still there. Yeah, I don't really like SGU. I like because it's in the universe, but I just finished the episode where Garrick cures the Ori plague and then burns, and the Atlantis episode. Cody, that's in a different window, working on some other stuff with it. And the there. In Atlantis, I just finished the episode where they end up on a prison island that the mainland is basically throwing everybody on treating all criminals as though they're murderers and putting them on the prison island to be food for the wraith. Okay, dang. How you doing, Cody? How you been? All right, we got that. We got that. Where you at? Should do, but not blocking. Settings migration. I don't care about that. Test audio identify. Okay, let's see if we can. Nope, bad. Not that bad. What the hell? I'll let it go. I think that I already did that one, but it shouldn't hurt. Stiffy and bloated? Sorry to hear it. Sorry to hear it. Okay, where are we here? We've got the dev tier stuff. We got the SDK or the S3. Okay, we'll do that. Do I still have Stargate running? Excuse me. Yay, welcome, welcome. Because you know what you can do now? I've launched a turtle. Chaotic but oddly reassuring. Copper-shelled turtle leaves cryptic breadcrumb comments in your log somehow always surfaces in the weirdest edge case before you've had coffee. Nice. So I did try out VodFlow. Looks good. It didn't give me too many clips, but I also only tried it with one video that wasn't that arguably probably wasn't that great. All right, let's see. Nice. Chevron 7, engaged. Chevron 8, locked. All right. No, wasn't it supposed to have... Shut up, Walter. Now, somewhere there was information about it, but I don't see it. Cody, that's it. That's what it relates to. It's fun. That is really the only thing it relates to. It's took 5 to 10 minutes to build. It's a good distraction between while other things are happening. See right here, we got some things happening. Then over here, we got some things happening. Right. There's an issue with the... Yes, it is a skill plugin called Oh My Claude Code. I like it. Sammykins had some problems, I think. Sammy, correct me if I'm wrong there. Here, if you want to check it out, there's the link to it. Oh My Claude Code. I like it. Read for yourself. Decide if it's something that you want to install. I'm a fan. Doesn't mean everybody has to be a fan. All right, let's see. I look into your eyes. Ah, that's much better. All right, looks like words might work. Let's see. I'm going to take a quick break. Pendulum like this, it goes bam, bam, bam. Okay, back. I was afraid that if I change scenes, it would destroy the game. Okay, let's play with Coda. Okay, let's see. Got that. AI backend is going to be Olama local. Gwen 3. Table that. Permissions, sure, whatever. Voice and identity. Let's change the persona. Let's go with Jarvis. Okay, performance. All right, so let's do this. Huh. Stop. Remove. Never had to knock on wood.
Hey, insert rating streamer's name here. Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Raiders, 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 JDDoesDev just got some raiders. Raiders, JDDoesDev just got some raiders. You raided me, thank you. You raided me, thank you. Raiders, 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 JDDoesDev just got some raiders.
Welcome in, Raiders. Welcome in, TBD Gamer. How you doing? Wait, you're not following me? Haven't we run into this problem before? I think. Am I following you? I am following you. I'm not going to break my heart. Welcome in. What were you working on? What were you playing? What were you doing? How are things? Who'd you bring with you? And if there's anything at all that you want to share, this is a safe place. Feel free. Nice, nice. Let's just see. I like it. Looks good. Is this I like it. Very cool. Very cool. Thanks for sharing that. Let's see. Currently in development. Oh, wait a minute. Nope. No, thank you for sharing that. Sorry. In case you missed it, we're a PHP stream. Kidding. It looks really good. Well, for readers coming in with TBD Gamer, I'm JD. I'm a web developer professionally. Sometimes on stream I work on game dev, but lately I've been working on building out my own hosting platform called Creodrop. The goal initially was to be a hosting platform for non-technical people. However, there are some limitations that I'm finding with some of the features of Drupal that I was wanting to use that are currently in the pipeline to be fixed, but aren't quite there. So I pivoted a little bit and I'm making it much more developer friendly, which has added quite a bit more work on top of it, but I think it's a good thing. So that's what I've been working on. If you'd like to help me test it when I get to that point, please, please, please sign up on Creodrop.com. I need technical and non-technical users to give it a spin. And if you like what you see so far, feel free to drop a follow. If you don't like what you see, I don't mind if you hate watch, so drop a follow anyway. Let's close it. So, and this is just a little fun little thing that I've been working on. The initial thought of it was be my own Jarvis. But it's been something that I've been working on kind of in the side on the side while other things are running. I am using Claude pretty heavily. I am definitely enjoying Claude Code. And if you have any questions about what I'm doing, feel free to ask. If you have any thoughts, critiques, feel free to lay it on me. Yeah, I'm liking Claude a lot. I'm not trusting it fully with everything just yet, but it's been doing a pretty good job of a lot of things. It does have some problems. Skills have made things a lot better, but I still look at it as an assistant, not as a replacement. We do some pair programming. There's a lot of stuff that you can look at and see that it's, you can tell if something's been made with AI, like landing pages and shit. But some skills are around to make it a little bit better to do that. Moving to the country. So there is TBD. There's a skill that I found. Well, I didn't find it. Somebody in chat told me about it. Impeccable style, which has made quite a bit of difference with a lot of things that I've done. And this one I made using the Anthropic front end design skill, which wasn't bad, not terrible. The first one before I used that skill was absolutely horrible. But the front end design skill made it a little bit better. And then using the impeccable command, the impeccable style, that made things a lot better. And it was kind of funny watching it. On one of the things that I had it fixed for me, the comment it made was, "Wow, this definitely looks like it was generated by AI slop." Whoa, whoa, slow down there a little bit. Yeah, backend, Llama. Yep, we got this. Assistant only mode. Perfect. And then there should be something in the knowledge base, I think. Yeah, wait, what? Okay. There, so I already had that. That's fine. Now let's see. All right. I had in here, okay, JDDocs. I haven't, I think you've mentioned Pencil Dev to me before. Am I using PNPM or am I using NPM? Okay, okay, we're doing a build. We're doing a build. Okay. Oh, oh yeah, it takes a bit to build it, doesn't it? Lightning crash. Okay, MCP servers. That's not right. It should have like the how to install all the MCPs. Let's see. There's a lot more here. Okay. And the presets. Oh, is it under guides? Never mind. Okay. Then where was the MCP servers here? And the presets should reflect all of in the presets table. Presets table should reflect all of them as well as link to the correct guide. All right, so let's do the simple one here. Just use my password. Okay. Spotify for developers. I just don't want to show or accidentally show any API keys. Hey, Sophis, what is up? Been a minute, hasn't it? Welcome back. Good to see you. Creodrop. It is a hosting platform. Actually, right now I'm looking at API keys. So I don't want to accidentally show anything. Nope, nope, nope. It is finite singularities blur plugin. I know I'm blurry. Okay, let's see if I can move this over to the other thing here. And look at the docs here. Then let's go to Coda and Spotify. Okay, that doesn't seem to. Oh, did I? Okay. I have documentation here that I'm trying to follow. Yes, composite blur. Did that. Save. Okay. Let's see here. Drupal sites. I'm trying to make it so that, thank you, Nameless. Trying to make it so that Drupal developers and non-technical people have a place um, to build sites rapidly and affordably. It's kind of the Squarespace or Wix for Drupal sites. At least that was the initial goal. There are some things that still need a little bit of work. So I pivoted a little bit and I'm trying to make it much more developer friendly. Give me just a second, and you're not alone. Drupal is a content management system that is used to build websites for a lot of different levels. Primarily, it's been used for like enterprise things, but it's really good for smaller things as well, especially with a lot of changes that have been made. Oh, hold on. I shouldn't. Hey, that's me. Because you did the command. This'll haunt your nightmares.
You've got a website, you need a system to manage your content, Drupal. If you want to build a web application, you gotta download Drupal. Drupal, 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 Drupal. If you've got a website, you need a system to manage.
It's 20 years old. And somehow my my frames start dropping as soon as I start playing that. Coincidence? Then here, here's a website for it. So here's what it really is. This is built in Drupal. Well, I should be able to log in. Maybe I'll. Maybe I'll tear down this site and rebuild it. Or, you know what? Let me just go to the control panel here. Go dashboard. Deleting the site. Okay, let's create one. We'll do a standard. It's more powerful than WordPress, a lot more powerful than WordPress, but yes, it's in the same vein. It's a content management system. But until recently, it's only been used for like people with a lot of money and budget. Did we get that? Oh shit, wrong one. Try it again. Boom. So what I'm wanting to use it for, this is my, well, it's Cloudflare. You can to a point because now that there are PHP WASMs. Well, Cody, it's changed. Look. Look at this. These are all, I mean, this is making things really big. Like you can start with the blank or with CMS. Now, here are some starter kits that are right out of the box. Ooh, what just happened there?
We reached our subs goal of 30.
Yay!
Thank you, everyone.
Whoever did that, I don't know where to go. Which? Well, thank you to whoever that was. I didn't get a message. But I'm thinking that Supernova, oh, Supernova, what is up? How you been? Wait, okay. So this is interesting though. I might clear out some of these things. But, you know, okay, so we select it. Cody, it's well worth it. It is well worth it. I know the developers for DripYard, and actually I'm planning on selling, trying to resell some of their themes. They have some really good ones that are extremely configurable. In fact, they're the ones who I've been talking with about, you know, getting some help on mine. They're guiding me, but they're not doing it for me.
JDDoesDev's random number generator is so truly
Okay,
random, it occasionally generates numbers that don't exist yet.
Okay, so get that while this is setting up. So the fact that these are available now, kind of a big deal. But I might have to do some altering. A little bit altering of the recipe to narrow those profiles down a bit. But be able to enter a final plea. Okay, this is an issue with what I've done. This is relatively new. I've made a change to the system, so this isn't a problem with Drupal. This is a me problem. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Okay. Oh. I think I need to rebuild. Oh, yeah. Because okay, I know what I'm saying here. Do I? Drupal image. Doc compose. We need to find the. Not that. Oh, this is the Drupal image here. And then infrastructure. Docker compose. Drupal demo. What are we using for that? This is Drupal image, target CMS. Target CMS here. But I don't think I rebuilt the Drupal image. Um, there's a new regular, or it's, however, it's because I'm building everything in here. Nope. Because that's its own thing. Let's shrink everything down here. It would be under here. Container name there. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. No, okay. Stop it, Gabbert. Drupal profiles hide sins. Wait, what? Well, that was weird. Yeah. Oh, but do I have where does it have anything that starts Redis when we run it? Like on the not that one, but on the starting points here. Okay, got that. Docker file. It's in there. Docker compose. Drupal demo. Vanilla. Build only. Okay, while that's going, let me see what's going on here. What the hell was that? Okay. Okay, it looks like this is one that we're gonna go with. Makes sense. Okay. Okay, while that's going, that doesn't seem right. No. Nope. Stop. Don't you give me you're absolutely right. If you say you're absolutely correct, I am going to flip something. I'm going to kill Gabrit. Okay. It says good catch, not you're absolutely right. Good catch. I don't like that it's not letting me scroll back too far. I mean, now it is, but I'm not going to be. No, it's not acceptable. Oh, it said it. You said it. You're right. Err. All right, how's other project doing here? Okay, approach A. Don't set up the creation time. Fine. I mean, we're going to get to a point, though, with the default recipes. Oh, thank you, Tommy. I appreciate that. But we're going to get to a point where a Drupal recipe is going to be useful here. Like I've already got recipes, and it's going to be what we start off with right off the bat. Everything is going to be doing this. And base is going to have everything that we need there. I already put it in. Just need to make sure that it's part of like the initial startup, and that might not work as well as we think. I might have to do some editing to some of the Drupal CMS recipes. All right, let's see if words is going to work. Oh, hello. It did. Because I got to pee. I'll be back. All right, we're back. Also, welcome in first time chat FT streams. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. YAML, YAML actually stands for yet another markup language. And it's the way I look at it is it's human readable JSON. Like looking at this, so if we were to look at this as a JSON file, it would, well, basically be something like that. But everything would be in an object. Everything would be this, blah, 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 blah. Well, that seems like a you problem. No, that's a you problem. Everybody look at your scores. I'm talking through this. I'm going to finish it up. If I hide it, it won't come back. It's not just like JSON. I mean, the creator of YAML knew that it was, knew that it was, something that fills a need that already exists, which is why it's yet another markup language. But it's similar to JSON. So everything is nested in a way. Spacing does matter, kind of like Python or GDScript. But like this is pretty much the same as if it were in a JSON object. Everything would be, I don't know what TOML is. Wait, isn't it for something optional mark or I don't remember. Bad cop is here. Okay. I thought it was obvious something. Everybody follow Bad Cop. But Tommy, so everything is nested. So like this would be the same as an array in a JSON object. It's just a way of structuring data to be easily read. Oh, it's even worse when you don't have a valid schema, because like for this one, it says it's not accepted, but it is. And the schema, it acts like it's all right, but anything could be anything. Really anything. I only use conf files. Well, you don't need to write JSON, but it makes it a valid schema to tell what you can in your IDE, especially what you can and can't put into it. Like this, let's get out of there. Let's look at themes, custom. let's see. Tommy, what is today? Today is Wednesday. Next stream is going to be tomorrow. But Isophis, this just defines what this is like typing YAML, like TypeScript types JavaScript. This JSON object types YAML. This says that if you use a schema, these are the only things that can be in properties. The only things available. Yeah, but this isn't the actual data. This is just saying if you're going to have a YAML file and you're assigning a schema to it, then it needs to follow this schema. And you can't just put random shit in it. Otherwise, something's going to break. Which is why it's very helpful to have a schema available. Although sometimes they just don't work. Okay, did Coda build? Yes. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with using JSON, except that you can't comment. That's the only thing. All right, let's see. Oh, wait, no, I still have to do the thing. Da, 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 da. Hold on. Okay, maybe this isn't going to work. Wait, what? Hold on. Ah, I add it. That doesn't seem right. That really doesn't seem right. Hold on, let me blur off. Um, yeah, there was no place for me to enter in any credentials. Okay. Okay, I got this. What, there? No, that's not a thing. Connected, yeah. What the, okay. Weird, so weird. Okay, back here. Did that. Bad Cop, what have you been up to lately? Haven't seen you around much. Working. Doing anything fun? I mean, you put cringe there, so obviously. Gabbrit? Oh, nice. The default, Creo. Okay, we gotta document that now. Now. Thing persona does not persist. Which means we need to close it down. Quit. Because spaghetti listens to nobody. That's why the flying spaghetti monster is so powerful. Ramen. Yes. Good. Good. Okay. Let's uninstall Coda really quick. No. I don't know if I want to use. No. I don't know that I want to use Composer Create Project. Okay, computer. A Okay, what's going on here? Let's do it. What you say? Yes, 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 yes. We're gonna use the composer lock. Yes, 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 yes. Nope. Okay, then yes. We're only doing the markdown here. Okay, install. All right, I'm gonna get this installed, and then I think I'm gonna run out for the night. And I know where we are going. Um, persona. Okay, we got that. Spotify. Okay. I will be trying this out tomorrow because now it is time for bed. All right, let's get some credits rolling. We got a couple new follows tonight. While that's running, let's get Science all primed up here. All right, TBD Gamer, Ponix Pon, and Woo Kong. Thank you for the follows. TBD Gamer, thank you for the raid. Let's turn that off. Let's turn him up.
Like, I get games too.
And
I'm on the
let's
Switch store. I see you
let's do this.
and Trey and all of our friends have these very
And
cool
bye-bye.
profile pictures. I just don't. Hi, JD. J Dizzle, how you doing? JD, how do you